Hey guys, this is Jordan from Artika. Today I'm going to give you some tips and show you how to install the Artika Smart LED wall-mounted light fixture. We recommend that this light fixture be installed by a certified electrician. Please read and follow the instruction manual carefully. Remember, safety is of utmost importance when working with electrical connections. Please remember that the light switch is always turned off and the power is turned off at the electrical panel. After removing the light fixture from the box, unscrew and remove the mounting bracket from the fixture. Remember to pull the wires out of the junction box. Using the junction box screws, attach the mounting bracket to the junction box. Using the Artika hook, attach the light fixture to the mounting bracket. Proceed to connect the white wire from the fixture to the white wire of the supply. And the black to the black. And the ground to the ground. Push your wires back inside the junction box. You are now ready to attach your light fixture to the mounting bracket. Start by placing your washer over the bolt, then securing with the fixation nut. After securing your fixture to the wall mounting bracket, for an outdoor installation, seal around the light fixture to stop water from getting inside. After installing your Artika Smart product, don't forget to turn the power back on. Remember, this fixture can be controlled by a regular light switch, or you can download our Artika app on Google Play or the App Store. Thank you for watching our video. We hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more installation videos and tips.